Hey, so I was my friend Zachary.
So,
Oh man, so we're trying to find out like this person that keeps saying the same thing over and over again, and we think that's saying my name. Like, you guys don't know my name, but I'm just gonna say Brandon. And we think it's saying my name a bunch of times, but no, but it's not. It's just saying random stuff, but the stuff that he just says over and over again. So
you do your video.
I know. Okay. So we're trying to figure out what it's saying and why and what we're hearing. Yeah, I could just punch you in the face. Okay.
Be quiet
So
I can actually hear it.
okay. So hear that? It takes a while. Stupid cards.
I'm a spider monkey!
Gee. Guys, so creepy. So creepy. I could pee my pants right now.
Hold on, let me say something. So this reminds me of something earlier. This is what's creepy. We were watching, it sounded like they were saying Brandon earlier, at least 10 times. And this video we were watching earlier had a ton of, 7 creepy things that once existed. Most of them are creepy. But, this was one of them. And it'll be in the woods, and it'll keep on saying your name. And it sounded like it's been saying Brandon's name, so we're pretty freaked out. We're trying to figure out what it is and catch it on video, so Brandon, keep on going.
I know. Crazy, right? I just said it again. What is that?
Hey, it don't want me, it wants him. So if I see it coming out, I'm just gonna run.
I'll do the same thing. Thank you.
We're both gonna run.
It's just, what is even going on?
Okay, my turn.
Well, dude, I have to end this okay, I'm ending it right now. So, thanks guys for watching, and we'll be back, but with another video, probably today, the same day, but we'll make a part 2, alright? See you guys.